Big win for Kikuyu youngest gospel musician, JOYJANET, after she was endorsed by a leading real estate company by the name TIMIZA Land Investment. JOYJANET broke the news to her fans on her Facebook page, and I quote, "Reu gutararia njugi ati na arikorwo ciugo ciigana. I am glad to announce to you that I am now an official brand ambassador of TIMIZA Land Investment Limited. I glorify the Lord for his mighty deed." Team JOYJANET could not hold their joy as they flocked the comment section with congratulatory messages. Have a look. As usual, from VDJ Max and fans at large, we wish her all the best in her new job. Remember to like the video, comment, like and subscribe.